Warm weather. In the middle of the night, in my dreams. Thank you for the likes. Okay. In my dreams, baby. In this coffee. Thank you for watching. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, baby. Thank you for watching. Two people. How are you? Hi William. How do you have a beautiful body summer? Body summer. Body summer. Oh my god. Thank you for Stephen Clancy. Can you show us what you're wearing on? Obviously you see. What you're blind, Stephen. Are you blind? Oh my god. Thank you for my dreams, baby. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Hi, Genesee. Thank you so much. I love your smile. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for Thank you for people in the house. Thank you so much. Imagine, baby. Thank you. How old are you? I am 40 years old. Country blondes. Hi, country blondes. I am 40 years old. You look good. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you so much. Yes, 40 years old. Yeah, 40. Thank you for the likes. Thanks so much. 16 people in the house. Hi. Thank you so much. Nice to see you. Thank you. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, baby. Tatagal pa sa... Oh my... Thank you someone sending like heart. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Rombrax. Rombrax. Thank you so much. 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. 27. 27 people. Thank you.
Fake honey will dissolve quickly, but real honey will form a...
I guess. Hi, Robert. Hello from Virginia. I hope you and your family had a wonderful Christmas holiday and wish you a very happy New Year. Thank you, Sir Robert. Hi, Antonio Lopez. Hi, thank you for joining. Stand up, please. Why? Do you have a passport? No, I don't have passport. My God, too nice, too loud. I don't have passport. Thank you. Guess so in highly speed. You beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. 21 people in the house. 6. Thank you. I want to get you to America. Hmm? 11. How old are you, Rambrax? 43. I am 40, turning 41. Thank you so much. 21 people in the house. Eat likes. We're an age range. You can send gifts. You can send me gifts from Brax. Thank you. I like yellow on you, by the way. Thank you so much, Ron Brax. I guess so. Weak. Hola amor, ¿cómo estás? Plus. ¿Cómo estás, plus? Ah, you really? You can send? My God. Thank you for the people in the house. Thank you so much. Cheryl, why are you not married? I don't know. Why someone not marry me? Should I marry myself? Amor, this what it means. Nestor. 36 people in the house. Thank you so much. I guess so. We can hardly speak. I just lose. If a man is truly interested and attracted to amazingly beautiful women like you, he should not ask her about a passport to stand up. He should go to her country and show her he is a gentleman. Thank you so much. Well, you're a very beautiful woman. You should have a man. Okay. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, guys. So beautiful. Thanks. It's so can always be. Thanks a lot. Thank you po. Thank you, 50 people in the house. Thank you so much. Paul Dentist. Hi, Paul. I love your yellow sweatshirt. Okay. Oh, 59 people in the house. Thank you so much. I never asked her to stand up. That was someone else, but I can take up her in America. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sexy. You can send me gift here. Yes. Thank you. It's a lot. Oh my god, thank you so much. Talk to her, you can take care of her. Send her a super chat through over. Thank you. Hello, like number. Donnie, thank you, Donnie. Thank you for watching. You're very welcome. Thank you, Donnie. Donnie, Papani, Panana, Papani. 65 people in the house. Happy. Thank you for the likes. The Philippines is a truly beautiful country and very traditional, full of absolutely amazing people. And I believe a man could truly find love and happiness to retire and live there permanently. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. You're very beautiful. Thank you, Donnie. Wait. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the likes. Koya Dre. Hi Koya Dre. Vaj. Waj. Say. Waj say. Promstra. Pampa Promstra. Hit that like button. Thank you Koya Dre. Thank you so much. 57 people in the house. Okay. 69 people in the house. Thank you so much. Ron Rex. Still up. Yeah, it's still up. Can't sleep. I wake up first. I take a nap, then I wake up. Kumusta ma'am? Okay lang po, Kuya Joy. Waj Sage. Within. Where are you from? 71. Oh my god, 71 people in the house. My god. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Um, Remember everyone to treat her as absolutely amazing woman with respect and always remember she is absolutely wonderful woman. Thank you, Robert. Sir Robert, thank you so much. Knock, why love me? Why love me, guys? 82 people. Why? Thank you so much. Adiladi. Adiladi. Hi, Omar. Oh my god, so many. Why is so many loving me here? Andrew Brown. 14 people. Donnie, love you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. How are you, my? God bless. Nice. Thank you so much. Ron Rex. Please stand up. I already did. It doesn't say me. I miss you. Um, the guy said he can take care of you, but you mentioned money and he hides. No super chat, Mariko. Thank you, 74 people. 15 likes. Hi, Omar. Where are you from, Omar? I'm a parole. Mhm. Thank you. Let's see. Thank you for the likes. Everyone shows you the love and respect that you have always deserved because you are an amazing and wonderful woman and mother who is truly amazing. Thank you, Richard. Thank you so much. Send super chat, Omar. From, oh my god. Adiladi. Adiladi. Thank you so much. Adiladi. Um, oh my god. Thank you so much for sending. God bless you. Thank what? Thanks. Thank you, thanks. Thank you, thanks. Oh my god. God bless you, thanks. Thank you. Thank you, Govan. $68 people. What? Double tap. Then scroll and like, subscribe anyone. No back left. No back left. Thank you so much. Thank, what is your request for the house? Oh my god. No request. Cheryl Long. No request, please. Oh my god. Hi, Golden. 7 to 7. Thank you, thanks. Thank you, God bless you, thanks. Wow, 77 people. Yeah, 77 people. Oh my god. Golden. Daniel Sosa. Hi, Daniel. Hit then like chat. Thank you. I'm 40 years old. Oh my god, look. 90 people in the house. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, beautiful. Daniel Sosa, hello. Welcome here. Live. Kimichi was Kimichi. That is a 6. Oh my. 109 people. Oh my god. What's up? Ooh, what's that? Too loud outside. She is famous. No, I'm not. I'm not famous. Oh my god. She only what? She only where she was. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for the likes. How I wish. Oh my god. Hi, Hex. I'm not that funny. My God. Hello, hi yoga. What? Yoga? Oh my God. First time, 126 people here. Oh my God. 119 viewers. You're famous. Oh, I wish. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Kimichi. What bro? Golem. Graduate. Thank you. Hi, Brax. I don't say that Kamichi. Kamichi. You're going too far now. That's awesome, Cheryl. Thank you. Hegs. Where are you from, Hegs? I forgot, sorry. Oh my god. My god. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you for the membership. Thank you so much. Rambrax. Thank you, Rambrax. Thank you so much. Oh my god. This is the first time ever. Too many people here. Thanks you. Thank you so much. One 40. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You're amazing guys. Oh my god. It's alright. I said so. I want to. So, I won't forget. My goodness. Oh my god. My god. Too many people here. What happened? Thank you so much. Hi, good morning. I'm watching from Papua New Guinea. Hi, Belly. Joseph, thank you. You look kind of chilly. Thank Mark. Hit them like. Thank you, Galvin. Especially like the sound of the outside. It's doing it for me. Commit. Kamichi. Big Lan. Hi, don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you so much, Big Lan. What's up, Big Lan? Hello, Cheryl. Higgs. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. The Legend Biglan. Wow, the Legend Biglan. How is your Christmas, Lan? Oh my god, look. 173 people in the house. Thank you. 26 likes. Thank you so much. Do you like heavy metal? No. Oh my god. Thank you for the fan. Thank you, thanks. Thank you, thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you for the membership. Welcome, Cheryl Farm. Charlotte, you're famous. Thank you, Higgs. How I wish I'm getting famous. Oh my god, thank you so much. It's alright. Dancing in the moonlight. I watched a Zumba video. You're really turning it up dancing. Yeah. I like dancing. Thank you for some. Thank you, Higgs. It's alright. 196 lol, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for supporting. For the support. Thanks a lot. Come on. Send super chat and stand out from the rest. Yeah. Thank you, Koya Dre. Thank you, Koya Dre. I really appreciate to do the sending super chat. Thank you so much. It's alright. 37 minutes. Oh my god, what in that coffee? Coffee, it's like coffee ko coffee, coffee ko blanca. Crack. I love caffeine. Coffee ko blanca. 3-in-1 coffee. Bondan. I don't understand Bondan. Maybe you can translate it in English. Thank you. Coffee is life. Yeah, for me, coffee is life. I love coffee. 131 in the house. Thank you so much. 28 likes. Thank you guys. You're amazing. Thank you so much for my moderator. All my moderator. Thank you for. Oh my god. Thank you, Renelle. Thank you so much, Renelle. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. How are you doing, sister? No, I'm doing live. Coffee. I want a baby. You want a baby. 125 people in the house. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Renelle. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Renelle. Renelle. Oh my god. Oh, thank you, Thank you so much, Ron Brax. Wow. Oh my god. I felt blessed today. Thank you, Ron Brax. Thank you for the gift. Wow, you're amazing, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Thank you, po. God bless us more. God bless you guys. Thank you for sharing. Sharing your blessing. Thanks a lot. Thank you. My baby are scary. Thank you for the likes. Here's now Ron Rags. Kamichi. Ron Rags. Thank you, Ron Rags. So, baby getting too sleepy. Coffee can make me alive. Hello, sis. Who am I? Rizky. Who are you, Rizky? Who are you? I don't know who you are. My brother-in-law called me out, so I had to get the chopper chat working alone.
Thank you, Ron Braggs. Thank you so much, Ron Braggs. Merry Christmas, Nelson. Why you going? Thank you, guys. She's not getting sleepy. She about to pass out whatever in that cup. Yeah, you are so beautiful. Thank you, guys. Which country are you from? Greetings from Indonesia. I am from Philippines. Philippines. I'm Filipina. Yep, yep. Good. Give me some, I said. Ah, okay. Chup chup. Oh my god. Run. My god, Kuya Tree. Thank you, Kuya Tree. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. My god. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for sending super chat. Thank you so much. Here, let's see who beats it. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Oh my god. What up? Thank you so much. Oh my god. I felt so blessed today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kuya Drea. You live in Manila, no? I'm living in Bicol province, Philippines. It's really cold out there. Why light? CPDM, soon Texas. Ah, you living in Texas, Ron Brooks? Wow, again. Kamichi. Yes, Golden. Thank you, Golden. Kamichi, I wanna go to Hong Kong one day. Shit. Would be dope. Would be dope. Thank you, Mark. No, Nelson. No, I'm sorry. Sir, I'm not single anymore. Cheryl and I are engaged. Oh my god. Arupoyo. I think Taiwan is better, just my opinion. Maybe. I don't know. And South Korea. Yeah, South Korea is it's beautiful, I think. Thank you, Ron Braggs. Calm down before you have heart attack and Jesus ask you what happened. I got to I got to go. She does me. Oh my god. What I do? What oh my god. Yes, we can live in Texas or Florida. My gosh. Florida would be better. It's just too damn hot in Texas. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 150 with 90% humidity. Humidity. 115. Thank you so much, guys. It's oh my god, 150. 100. We're really good. We're really good. What? We really can get married in Florida. Florida. Florida, USA. That's super hot. Oh my god, Ron Rags. Yeah. Oh my god, not tonight. Thank you, Ron Brax. Oh my god. Generous Ron Brax. If you get married in the Philippines, you will have to build her family a house. Yes, you can build family. You can build a house for It's 16 over. Oh my god, too cold. No, I'm jumping in the water all day. Peace, someone to build as a home. Huh? Come on, guys. Stop the cannot super chat. Thank you, Kuya Dre. 16 degrees. 16. Too cold. Upstate New York. Kamichi. Thank you, guys. Thank you for supporting me here. Thanks a lot. Lol, you just made me laugh, Cheryl. Thank you, pa. Break up the karaoke. Too late, it's too late, yeah. No karaoke now. Everyone is sleeping. But having an occasion, the karaoke is all day, all night. Some are disrespect from the to the neighborhood. Thank you so much, Ron Brax. It's alright. What? Wait, what? I've seen 20 below and Minneapolis. All day, all night. Yeah, all day, all night. They sing all day, all night. Here in the Philippines. Disrespect the, ano, disrespect the neighborhood. Because they love singing, they love karaoke. Bell Bands Company. I know she can sing, I know she can dance, cause I see the video now. She doesn't get all. I can dance in public, but I'm not. I can't sing in public. Like I'm not good in singer because Filipino is a good singer. You do sing good. Thank you, Ron Rex. It's pretty impressive though. At 12:25 a.m. You're making money, lol. I bet your neighbors are not. Yeah. I can do parkour in public. Parkour? What means parkour? Thank you, Hegs. Have you heard the dog bark every time? Yeah. Every time I sing the dog bark. Gusta gustosa. Every time, Chavez. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Dancing in the moonlight, Mark, that smile. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. I am really appreciate your supporting my channel here. God bless us. Thank you for sharing your blessings, guys, here. That means stop. That means stop. If sometimes I feel bored, I dance. So I want to dance. Oh my god. People here already sleeping. Good night, lovely. I will get some breakfast and go to work. Thank you, Ron Brax. Thank you for joining here. God bless you. Take care. Ilang taon ka na? 40. Thank you so much, Ron. God bless you more. Hope you joined next live. Wait, I will watch you dance a little longer. It's you need to announce. You're getting late na. Pony say thank you so much. 44 people in the house. That's so right. Sabi magkakatinabi
Babalain ako. Sinasabi mo babalain ako.
Thank you. Oh my God. My God. Parkour is like jumping off buildings. Man, you very our bigger object. Ah, okay. Go to bed, sure. Oh my God. Oh, bagay tayo. Hindi ako bagay. Tawa ako. Hi, Mark. Thank you, Mark. See? Do you think she is? Black and white. Hola. Chris, hello. I'm Chris from Elegan. Yeah, thank you, Chris, for joining here again. She might be the sweetest girl I met on her so far. Of most them, when they get famous, they go to their end. Oh, really? My God, I'm nothing changed. So, and then I'm not famous. Head, head, head. Pwede ba ako dyan? No. No, Bernard. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't want top the no support. No no super chat now. Oh, you are really pretty. Thank you, William.
It's alright.
Thank you for the 6 people. Thanks, you guys. Thank you so much. 35 likes. Thank you.
It's alright.
Is there chicken left? Chicken left. What? Don't say why, Bernardo. Round the car. I want food. Eat, then eat. Go to your fridge and take a food, then eat. Hey, shut the food. It's noon in America. I bet somebody will break the super chat soon, doll. Okay, thank you, Hegs. Thank you so much, Hegs. Oh, thank you, Mark. Buff the food. 50 people in the house. Thank you so much. Someone sending the hugs, the love, the heart. Thank you. My God. Thank you so much. A whole truckload of seafood got hijacked a few days ago. Okay. The hijack truck, truckload. 55 people. Thanks so much. 35 la. And some like that. Thank you pa. What are you doing now, guys? Me, I'm doing live. Coffee, at the bread. How about you? How about yours? Oh my God. Oh my God, so many people tonight at morning here. Now, uh, 60 people in the house. My God. Sixes. Thank you. Hope you likes, guys. Said something that to someone like you. You like me. How should I like you? Hugh Coranway. Mark. If I go to the Philippines, I don't want to build a house. I don't want to do none of that. I just want to live on the beach in a hot and fresh with the Filipinos. I want to go out on the boat with them. Ah, okay. Mark. And fish for the rest of my life and then die. My God, Mark. Did you guys Wi-Fi is so bad? Because of the freezing, freezing for cold. Did you guys see somebody hit the $1.8 billion lottery in the Kansas of Arkansas? Lol, life changing, yeah, life changer. Oh my God, oh my God, so lucky one win the lottery, $1 billion. What a lucky one. Cheryl, see bitch again. Bitch. Oh my God. Sorry, my pronounce is bad. Bitch. What? Oh my God. It's a bitch. Bitch. I'm simple kind of dude. I wanna fix houses and sell them to families from some money. Okay. It wasn't Kansas. It was Arkansas. Arkansas. Can a fickle face man get a tan? Get a tan. Get a tan. Are you white, Mark? White American? Because want a tan skin. Ano ba yan, bitch? Thank you, 65 people. Cabot, Arkansas, to be exact. Uh, what a lucky one. Winning the lottery. Wow, $1 billion. Oh my God. Even the 1 billion, even the, no, I mean, $1 million. Oh my God. Felt so rich. Thank you, 78 people in the house. Thank you so much. $1 billion. We felt jealous. Yes, this knows Tagalog. Yes, the bitch. Thank you, Kuya Trey. Oh my God, the bitch. I don't know how to, maybe because the, bitch. Bitch. Say Cheryl, hey Cheryl, just tell me you love me and more time, maybe I leave the room. Oh my God. No, don't leave here. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Weatherly. Weatherly. Hi, Weatherly. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much. Big Bird. On Big Bird. Big Bird. 79, 59 people in the house. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Gosh. After tax, they will bring home by 300 million. Oh, 300 million. Do you like hot chocolate? Hot chocolate. I love chocolate. Yes, I want hot chocolate. I am winning the lottery already. No. No, really, why have you made some? No, why you have made some? Why? Why? Ready? Not, not really. Why have you made some? Sure. What would you do with $1 billion? Lol, that's 5 billion. Ah, 58 billion pesos. 58 billion pesos there. What should I do if I? Oh my god. Sure. If oh my god, what should I do if the no the what you call them 58 billion pesos here? Oh my god, all the our barangay they are rich now. They are rich. We're getting rich. Not only me. All of my family, my neighbor, my in our barangay maybe we all the we call that we are rich community. No one no one we all it's like same pantay-pantay quality equality ano to? Fair life. I will be broken one day. Melt the pesos down and build a house. Yeah. Share ba jowa, asawa, or man bitches? No asawa. No asawa. No more asawa. My God. She'll be broke in a day. Oh my God. You can't give her money. She don't know how to spend it. Sure, you could probably buy the Philippines low. Yeah. Does anybody know why we're whispering? Oh, never mind. Sorry. She could buy all the politician in Washington, Washington D.C. My God. So you say me, say it for always. That's the way it should be. Oh my God, it's like a song. Lyrics. So lyrics like a song. Thank you, idiot people in the house. Thank you so much. Dancing in the moonlight. You see me, say it for always. That's the way it should be. Well, I think it's a song lyrics. Thank you, idiot people in the house. Thank you so much. Cheryl, you could buy $1 million house in 50 states in America and still have 950 million. Lol. Yeah, oh my god. But here, 1 million pesos, you have a beautiful home. No need to billion. What batch is closest to you? Batch closest to me is Balosan batch. I want just $1, please. Sake no. Wake up this morning, the house was cold. Check the furnace. She was not burning, went out hot, and my old Ford check engine, but she ain't turning. Okay. It's a song by Lionel. Yes, it's a song by Lionel Richie. Okay. Hello, Jose España. Hi, Jose from España. Shut up, I said. Oh, Mark. The chicken, maybe the chicken. Okay, I will stop with the Betches Homeland. The Betches Homeland. World Star. Give each other up and listen lately. Give each other up and listen lately. We ain't learning for the same old story. Same old act. One step up, two step back. Thank you, 73 people in the house. Thank you so much. World Star. World Star. It's alright. Mark, stop with the stupid song. Watch the emoji, please. Emoji. The emoji. It's alright. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting her. Most my friends here. You think that's a stupid song? I like Lionel Richie. I like it better when he was with the Commodores. Commodores. Through the years, never let me down. I turn my life around. The sweetest things I found. Anyone beat the Kano Super Chat? No more Super Chat. No. Super Chat, please. What's Kano? Oh my god, the Kano means American. Use your own words. Oh my god. Don't, no, let's good vibes here. Okay, good vibes only. No Didi. No, Didi means boobs. So, no. Dre, I was thinking the same thing, lol. I'm not really big on this moderator stuff unless somebody's being a really rude or something. Ups, 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 ups. Stay calm. Stay calm. Good vibes. Thank you so much. 57 people in the house. 38 people. Hit the likes. Thank you for the likes. Mm-mm-mm. We want. Oh my god. Good vibes all. Just good vibes. Thank you so much. Please choose to stay calm and good vibes. Everyone super chat low bat. I'm always rude to hear. Oh my sorry. Oh my god, golden. Lol garden. Me too, my. I smell Mary Jane, so you already know I'm. Oh my god. Kamechi. I'm all. See, that's what I mean. It's just a chat room and people get all big seated under authority or whatever. I'm fine, be quiet, go ahead. You got the room, go ahead. Mark, thank you so much, Mark. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to say. Oh my god. Can we good vibes here? Sets alright. Sorry, I'm not control my my live streaming. I want just good vibes here. And I'm happy that you're supporting me here and yeah and You help me a lot here. Watching her, staying here on the live, it really helps me a lot, you know. And I'm really thankful for you guys. My God, spread the good vibes. Merry Christmas, you know. The spirit of Christmas is kindness, love, sharing. Spread peace, not war. Yeah. It is still 70 some people here. Well, thank you. I promise it's not that serious. Yeah, thank you, Mark. I bet if I tie her to a balloon, she will. Yeah, you know me, Marv Golden. Hello, Golden. My God. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't know even what you are talking about. I guess like one love from Helia about to be a new year. Kamichi. I just want to talk to pretty lady. Thank you, Mark. Don't give the lady stress. Peace, love, and bitches. I love bitches, you know. I love bitch. My God. Then I heard the lady singing again, and then she jumped again, up again, and with the free fish. Thank you so much. I love the bitch too. I love the bitch too. Wow. Me, I love bitch. 39 people hit the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. 52 people in the house. Thank you. Since alright, dancing. I love the bitch. Love the bitch. 71 people here. Thanks a lot. She like to make sand castle. Sand castle. Yeah, I love them, but I don't know how to make it perfect. The castle, sand castle. I love it. It's alright, son. Thank you so much. My God, she like to make sand castle. I like make giant holes or carving trees. I helped make a toilet and fork before. Okay, I was totally joking. That bad you do. Yeah, I did. 10 to 15 years, maybe I will come through. But like, I really huge fork. 71 people shut out. Where is everyone from? Yeah, where is everyone from? Thank you, Dre. It's alright. Thank you so much. Never. Oh my God. 60 people in the house. Thanks so much. Lagyan na lang nag ano, panira ng moment. 71 people. Oh my god. Those someone care. Thank you, Golden. I think someone care. Is the stoppage? Is he that? Oh my god, what? Is he the stoppage, Cheryl? Hmm? What are you talking about? Oh my god, I'm doing live. What I miss? What I miss? Oh my god. Gulay. Du, 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 du. Golden. Mark still thinks he has a chance. Too bad I fall asleep like in five fall asleep in 5 seconds. My god. Maybe. Fall asleep in 5 seconds. Mm. Oh my god. Plus sad vibes only. Vibes. Good vibes. Yes. It's so right. Oh my god, it fell. Aray. Ouch. Joe was scaring the children now. Ano is hal talking about patch. She's crazy random music going that head of her, yeah. Thank you so much. Then some in that cup, not you, Kyle. Oh my god. See what you getting. Tamsa cause. Hi, boss. Thank you, boss. Don't crush his dream. Oh my god. Then there was something in that cup, of course. Yeah. Oh my god. Thank you for 63 people. Thank you so much. I found the love. Me without you. Oh my god. You're here again, Omar. Yvonne. Hi, Yvonne. Thank you so much, guys. I need to end the live. Thank you so much. Hope you see you next live. Ano. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. See what happened to Tito. See what happened to Tito. Take care. Thank you so much, guys. Hope see you next live. Bye bye. God bless you all. I love you all. Don't random dance when you sleep. Golden. My God. Thank you. Make me smile. My God, Golden. No, I continue to maybe not end the live. I changed my mind. There was a good one. That was a good one. Sleep dancing low. Oh my God. Oh, don't leave us. Let's talk about beaches. The beaches is, you know what, Kuya, Kuya Joy. The beaches here is so beautiful. Like the sound of the beaches, people at the beaches, and then the view of the beaches, and then what else? The stone on the beaches, the cottage on the beaches, the food. This girl don't know what to do now. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Oh my God. It's alright. Golden just saved the day with a sleep joke low. Thank you, 84 people in the house. Oh my God. Suddenly, if we're going to talk, can I have some fun? Yeah, that's you need to get some food. I know I'll be to the Philippines coming back in 3 months. Ah, okay. Thank you, Kuya Joy. Hope you like Philippines. Thank you for the likes, guys. Oh my God. You the host and she don't bring food out to people. You know. Thank you so much. DJ DJ Ricky. DJ Ricky. Hi. Thank you 73 people. Thanks a lot. Antonio Lopez. Hello. It's alright. Stand and see some lights. Thank you so much. This is a long rap season. Yeah, I think we need to create the group, guys. I am more from Brazil. Caria Rica, Espiritu Santo. 79 people in the house. Thank you so much. Cheryl is still sleepy. It's 1 a.m. there. Yeah. 1 a.m. here. I keep sending fireworks. Ah, thank you for sending fireworks. Kamikachi. Kamichi. Kamikachi. It, oh my god. I think Heart more is spelling. Hmm? Okay, oh, thank you to 81 people here. Thank you so much. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Pijat Swarzki. I'm from Philippines. Thank you so much for joining here. 83 people in the house. Thanks so much. What are you doing? Where are you from? It's alright. Beat the kano super chat before you end the live. Yeah, beat the kano super chat. I don't know. She from another golden. Oh my god. Thank you so much. 77 pages. People. Oh my god. The bitch. In Brazil, Carrier Rica, Espiritu Santo, 14 p.m. Ah, okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. From Brazil. Carrier Rica, Espiritu Santo from Brazil. Dijoriki from Brazil. Afternoon from Brazil. Thank you, 80 people in the house. I can't leave the people, many people. That's why I can't leave. Sayang. Sayang na sayang talaga. Wow, Brazil. Wow, Brazil. The Brazil. Brazil. Wait. This, I'm looking for my photo. It's alright. Oh my god, 91 people in the house. My god. The lock of the door is the ball pen. Oh my. Oh my god. Imbecile. Okay. Keep me around. I get things. Things hype. Thank you so much. I don't know. Thank you, pa. Thank you to do someone. Give the hearts. Man, this and even right. 75 at the beach. 75 at the beach. Celsius at the beach. Celsius or degree? 75 degree. Shall you change? Fix it. 62 people in the house. Thank you so much. It's alright. Mark, are you Florida? Are you Florida, Mark? Florida have a beach. No, Alabama. No. I sure when is the next live? Tomorrow morning. Morning here I do live. I need to going to sleep now because oh my god, early morning. Thank you so much guys. I need to sleep now. I love you all. Thanks a lot. Thank you to those someone give the heart. Sending heart. Bye bye. Hugs me Mark. I'm in Florida. Oh wow. Nice to meet you here. Florida is way better. Yeah. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. Bye bye. Thank you, Golden.